Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in this video we are solving the next set of 5 questions. So in these previous videos we have started the miscellaneous exercise 5a from the topic vector. So if you have not seen these videos, please go through and check out, because all the concepts and the examples we have discussed in detail, each and every question. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start the question number 21. If a bar, b bar, c bar are non-coplanar vectors, if a bar, b bar, c bar are non-coplanar vectors, okay, then prove that the vectors, then prove that the vectors 3a bar plus b bar plus c bar, 3a bar plus b bar plus c bar, comma 2a, 2b, 3c, 2a plus 2b plus 3c, and a bar plus 3b bar plus 5c bar are collinear. Okay, are collinear. If the given ABC are non-coplanar vectors, these three vectors are collinear vectors. Okay, so how to solve this question? So let's assume that this is, we have as a p bar, this is a q bar, and this is a r bar. Okay, so these are the p bar, q bar and r bar vectors we have. See, these three vectors are non-coplanar means what? The box product of these three, a bar, b bar and c bar, is what? Equal to or not equals to? It should not be equals to 0, as it is a non-coplanar vectors. And these three PQR are the collinear vector, means what? P bar, Q bar and R bar is equal to 0 or not equals to 0. Now it is equals to 0. The box product of these three vectors should be equals to 0. Okay, so box product means what? We have P bar dot Q bar cross R bar. This should be equals to 0. Okay, this is the only we want to show here. Then prove that. So this box product should be equals to 0, that we want to show, and the given is, this is the given condition. Is this okay? So now let's substitute the PQR here in this star equation and let's solve this equation. So we have 3a bar plus b bar plus c bar dot 2a bar plus 2b bar plus 3c bar cross a bar plus, it should be plus 3b bar plus 5c bar. Okay, and the bracket close. So we'll have this bracket here. Okay, so now let's see, do simplification. So the first bracket will be as it is, 3a bar plus b bar plus c bar, because we need this afterwards. Next we have is 2a bar cross a bar, 2a bar cross a bar plus 2a bar cross 3b bar c. I am just multiplying this 2a with the second bracket, and the next is 2a bar cross 5c bar. Next plus 2b bar cross a bar plus 2b bar cross 3b bar plus 2b bar cross 5c bar, and plus the next is what we have is 3c bar cross a bar plus 3c bar cross 3b bar plus 3c bar cross 5c bar. Okay, so this is what we have. So what can be cancelled out? As we know that the cross product of the same vector is equals to 0, and finally c cross c is 0. So what is remaining? Just write down the part which is remaining there. So it is 3a bar plus b bar plus c bar dot, you have, see, I will take these constants outside. So it is a 6 into a bar cross b bar plus, then we have 10 into a bar cross c bar plus 2 into we have B bar cross A bar plus 10 into B bar cross C bar plus 3 into C bar cross A bar plus 339 into C bar cross B bar. Okay, so this is what we have. So can we simplify again further? Yes, definitely, why not? It is equals to 3A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot, see how I'll write now. So 6 A bar cross B bar. So let's find out A bar cross B bar. Do we have? Here it is a B bar cross A bar, so it is plus, so I can definitely take it as minus. So minus A bar cross B bar. Okay, so commutative law is not applicable, we have to give the negative sign here, so it becomes minus A bar cross B bar plus, next take this 10 into A bar cross C bar. Let's find out A bar cross C bar. Here we have A bar cross C bar, so it's a minus 3 into A bar cross C bar, and next finally we have 10 into B bar cross C bar, 10 B bar cross C bar minus 9 B bar cross C bar. I hope it is okay with you all. This is equals to, yes, what's next? It is, the first bracket is as it is, 3A bar plus B bar plus C bar as it is, dot, 6 minus 2 is what? 4 A bar cross B bar plus 7 A bar cross C bar plus we have 1 B bar cross C bar. This is what is. Next, this is the simplified bracket we have. Now let's do this dot product inside. So it is 3A bar dot 4 A bar cross B bar plus 3A bar dot 7 A bar cross C bar. See, now I am multiplying this 3A bar with this square bracket. Okay, plus 3A bar dot B bar cross C bar. See, don't worry, this is going to be very simple once you open these two brackets. Okay, ये 3A bar के साथ हो गया. Now let's do the same for B bar. So we have plus B bar dot 4 into A bar cross B bar plus B bar dot 7 into A bar cross C bar plus C bar dot B bar cross C bar. ये C के B के साथ हो गया. Now let's do for C plus C bar dot 4 into A bar cross B bar plus C bar dot 7 into A bar cross C bar and plus C bar dot B bar cross C bar. And you know very well that dot and cross means what? It is nothing but the box product. See, A bar dot A bar cross B bar is nothing but the box product in which you have the two vectors same, A same, so it is absolutely going to be 0. Here also you have A and A same, this A2 are same, so it is again going to 0. This is not going to be 0, this is nothing but the box product of ABC. Let's keep it as it is. This is, then we have B same, so that's why this goes to 0. No same, so it will not be equals to 0. Here we have C same, so it will be 0. No 0, so C same, 0, and here we have again C same, it is again going to be 0. Okay, so what are the parts remaining then? So let's write down the remaining parts here. So this is going to be 3A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus 7 B bar dot A bar cross C bar plus 4 C bar dot A bar cross B bar. Okay, so this is going to be 3 into, this is a box product of A bar, B bar and C bar, and this is the box product of what? B bar, A bar and C bar, and this is the box product of C bar, A bar and B bar. Okay, but what you want to show here, now if you take all the boxes in the same fashion, ABC, let's see what we'll get. 3 into A bar, B bar and C bar plus, see here I want ABC, so here you are interchanging only one non-cyclic interchange here you will get. So this will be minus of a bar, b bar, c bar, because only these two are getting interchanged in the non-cyclic fashion. And this is the property of the box product, that whenever you do the non-cyclic interchange, then you will have negative sign. Then again here if you see ABC, this is what is the cyclic change. Okay, so if you want to write down in the fashion of ABC, then what will happen? A will go this side, 1 ABC and ABC, so 2 will change, A यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, B यहाँ पे आएगा, and C will go here this side. See, this is what the cyclic change we mean. This is not a cyclic change. Okay, this is not a cyclic change. All the three vectors should be interchanged in the cyclic fashion. So this is equals to A bar, B bar and C bar, and this is nothing but the 4 as it is. And if you see here 3 plus 4, it is nothing but 7, A bar, B bar, C bar, and minus 7 into A bar, B bar, C bar. That's it. This is equals to be 0. So in this way we can solve these type of questions. So definitely this is going to be for maximum marks if it appears in your exam, and it requires absolutely the patience and the what we can see how I have written all the brackets and all the terms are what they are separated from each other. If you mix up the terms, then it will be very difficult to understand what is going to be the next step. So definitely we may make the mistakes in the next steps. Okay, if you write this plus very near to this A bar, okay, there should be some spaces between the any two terms. That will be very helpful. Okay, so I hope it is okay to all of you. Perfect. Now let's see the next question. The question number is 22. Okay, so let's see what is the 22 says is. Question number 22 is that show that if A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors, if A, B, A bar, B bar and C bar are non-coplanar vectors, then the vectors A bar minus 2C bar, 3A bar, that is 3A plus B plus 5C bar, comma 2A minus 4B plus 3C are also non-coplanar. Okay, non-coplanar. Okay, original ABC be non-coplanar and these three vectors are also non-coplanar. That we have to prove here. So let's name this vector as a P bar, Q bar, and again it's a R bar. So what is the given is the box product of A, B, C is what? It is not equals to 0. What we have to show? The box product of P, Q, R is also not equals to 0 because it is also non-coplanar. So we will follow the same method here. PQR. So P bar dot Q bar cross R bar. So P bar dot Q bar cross R bar. So I highly recommend that please you solve this question on your own, because this is the same question just now we have seen, the question number 21, same question. Okay, so now let's substitute the values here. So here we have A bar minus 2C bar dot we have 3A bar plus B bar plus 5C bar cross 2A bar minus 4B bar plus 3C bar, and the bracket close. Let's solve this. So A bar minus 2C bar is same, dot open the brackets. So multiply with the 3A bar first. So 3 into 2 will become 6, A bar into A bar cross A bar. Then we have minus sign. So minus 3 into 4 is 12, A bar cross B bar. Then we have plus 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 A bar cross C bar. Next is term is what, b. So if you don't want to write on this same line, so you can come this side also, it's plus. So it will be again good for the simplification understanding. So b bar into 2a bar, so it will be 2 into b bar cross a bar. Don't change the order, पहले b है उसके बाद a है ना, तो keep the order as it is. Next we have minus 4 into b bar cross b bar and plus 3 into b bar cross c bar. Okay, and the next is multiply with this 5c bar. So 5 into 2 is 10 c bar cross a bar minus 5 into 4 is 20 c bar cross b bar, then plus 15 c bar cross c bar. Okay, so this is what we have bracket. Now let's cancel what can be 0. So a bar cross a bar 0, b bar cross b bar 0 and c bar cross c bar 0 because of the same vectors cross product. So this is going to be equals to a bar minus 2c bar dot, so what can be written here inside the bracket. Okay, so this is going to be, so minus of, so I will make this all the minus to the plus. Okay, so this will be plus b bar cross a bar, so it was originally a bar cross b bar, so I am taking minus and I will do the b bar cross a bar, plus 9 into a bar cross c bar as it is, then we have plus 2 into b bar cross a bar as it is, next is plus 3 b bar cross c bar as it is, plus 10 c bar cross a bar as it is, then plus, again I am interchanging this, 20 b bar cross c bar, that's it. Okay, now let's add what all the things we have inside the bracket, minus 2c bar dot, see here, b bar cross a bar, do we have b bar cross a bar here? Yes, so it's a 12 plus 2 is 14 b bar cross a bar plus 9 ac, and this is the 10 ca. Okay, means one can be opposite direction, so 9 ac, so I will make this as a minus of ac again. Okay, so this will be a cross c, I hope it is okay. So this will be minus sign, so minus of a bar cross c bar, then we have 3bc here, 3bc and 20bc, so both are plus, so it will be plus 23 b bar cross c bar. This is what we have inside the bracket. Now let's distribute this dot product again. So this will be equals to 14 a bar dot b bar cross c bar, I am multiplying with a here, minus a bar dot a bar cross c bar, so this minus I have taken this side, plus 23 into a bar dot b bar cross c bar, ये तो हो गया a bar के साथ. Now let's have for this 2c bar, so this is what it is negative originally, so we'll have the negative sign, so minus of 22 into 14, so it will be 28 c bar dot b bar cross c a bar, then we have minus minus plus 2 c bar dot a bar cross c bar, and we have minus 46 c bar dot b bar cross c bar. Now again what can be cancelled out? Okay, so the same vectors inside the box product can be cancelled out, so this is what the box product is. So a bar cross a bar dot a bar 0, abc will there, it will be there, so this will be 0 and this will also be equals to 0. Okay, so what is remaining then? Write down. So this is equals to 14, so it is box product of abc, a bar b bar c bar, plus 23 into, it is again abc, so a bar b bar c bar, no need to change anything here, minus, use the minus 28, we have c bar b bar and a bar. Okay, so it will be 14 abc plus 23 abc. Now see here, if I want to make this as a abc, what can be changed here? सो ए यहाँ पे आएगा और बी यहाँ पे आएगा. सिर्फ यू आर इंटरचेंजिंग ओनली टू, बी तो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब दिस इज नॉट अ साइक्लिक इंटरचेंज. सो साइक्लिक के लिए क्या होगा, फिर नेगेटिव साइन आएगा और एक. सो इट विल बी 28 इंटू, सो विल हैव ए बार बी बार एंड सी बार. वो पेनल्टी है, यू आर नॉट इंटरचेंजिंग बी ना, दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू गिव अ माइनस साइन विच इज एक्ट एज अ पेनल्टी. ओके, सो आ गया, देखो क्या क्या आ गया फिर. ऑल आर ए बी सी एंड ऑल आर इन एडिशन. सो लेट्स ऐड दिस थिंग्स. सो 8 आणि 4 है 12, 13 14 15. सो इट्स अ 5 कैरी 1, सो इट इज 3 4 5 and it's a 6. Okay, so it is a bar, b bar and c bar. And definitely what they are asking us to do is that here this is a non-coplanar, means the box product of ABC is not equals to 0, of course. Then we have to show that this is also not equals to 0. Means what? This part is not equals to 0, means of course 65 into ABC will not be equals to 0, means this is also not equals to 0. Therefore what we can say, yes, therefore what we can say is that a bar b bar, sorry, not a bar b bar c bar, this is equals to what? This is box product of pqr, actually pqr. Therefore it is not equals to, therefore p bar q bar and r bar also non-coplanar. Require some patience and require the what we can need writing, that will definitely help here. Is it okay? Very good. Now let's see the next question. So question number is 23. So this question says that 23, if a b c d are, if a in bracket 374 b in bracket 5 minus 2 3 5 minus 2 3, c in bracket minus 4 5 6 minus 4 5 6, and d in bracket it's 1 2 3, okay, respectively. Find the volume of parallelepiped with, find the volume of parallelepiped if AB, AC and AD are coterminous edges of this parallelepiped. Okay, is this okay? So what they have given, they have given the vertices A B C D, and they said that AB, AC and AD are the coterminous edges of the parallelepiped. So then what is the volume of this parallelepiped? We know that if the coterminous edges are given, then the volume of parallelepiped is nothing but the scalar triple product of all these three vertices. Parallelepiped कितना बड़ा है ना एकदम, parallelepiped, it is equals to the box product of AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. Okay, so for that purpose we require AB, AC, AD. So first to find out the AB bar, which is equals to B minus A, which is 5 minus 3 is 2i, minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9j, and 3 minus 4 is minus k. AB हो गया. Find out AC bar, which is C minus A. So this will be equals to minus 4 minus 3 minus 7i, 5 minus 7 minus 2j, and 6 minus 4 is plus 2k. Then find out the AD bar, which is equals to D bar minus A bar, which is equals to 1 minus 3 is minus 2i, 2 minus 7 is minus 5j, and 3 minus 4 is minus k. So these are the three vectors we have with the coterminous edges of the parallelepiped. So the volume will become, so from the equation number 1, what we can do, okay, I will write here only so that it will be easy for us. So the coefficient of AB bar, it is 2 minus 9 minus 1, it is minus 7 minus 2 and 2, and this will be minus 2 minus 5 and minus 1. Now let's solve for the determinant. So it's 2 into minus minus plus 2 plus 10 minus minus plus 9 into, we have 7 plus 4, okay, and minus 1 into bracket we have 35 minus 4. Okay, is this okay? So it's a minus minus plus 35 and it's minus minus plus, and one more minus is minus 4. Okay, so this is 2 into 12 plus 9 into it's 11 and minus it's a 31. So this is equals to 24 plus 99 minus 31, so which is equals to again, so it is going to be 30. So it is now 14, so 1 ये अगर चला गया तो इसमें से 8 आएगा और ये 6 आएगा प्लस 4 to 24, so this is equals to 8 2 carry 1 6 7 8 9, so it's a 92. Okay, so what is your answer is 92 unit cube. So this is your volume of this given parallelepiped. I hope it is okay. Okay, simple formula, directly we have the theorem, we have seen the theorem based on this. Volume of parallelepiped and volume of tetrahedron. Tetrahedron is what? It is 1 by 6, the box product. Now let's see the question number 24 next. Question number 24. So express the vectors a bar 9i plus j, 9i plus j plus 2k as the linear combination of vectors q bar is equals to minus I minus j plus 2k and r bar is equals to 3i plus j minus k. Okay, so what we want to show? We want to show that a bar is the linear combination of these two vectors. So for that, how to proceed? So actually we want a bar is equals to m q bar plus n r bar. So we want to find out the value of m is what and n is what. Okay, so we have seen these type of questions in detail while solving the exercise, first exercise. Now let's substitute the values here. So it's 9i plus j plus 2k, this is equals to m into minus I minus j plus 2k plus n into it's a 3i plus j minus k, this is equals to minus mi minus mj plus 2mk plus 3ni plus plus nj, directly nj minus nk. Now let's combine the same coefficients. I coefficients are what? Minus m plus 3n I, so we have j and j which is plus minus m plus n. Next we have 2m and minus m plus 2m minus n of k. So this is equals to what? 9i plus j plus 2k. Now as these two vectors are same, LHS equals to RHS, we can simply what? Compare the coefficients. So first I equals to 9 is equals to minus m plus 3n. Next we have 1 is equals to minus m plus n, and 2 is equals to we have 2m minus n. Now let's solve these three equations, first equation, second equation and the third equation. So if I subtract first and second, what I will get? So 9 equals to minus m plus 3n, and I want to subtract this equation, 1 equals to minus m plus n. So let's do the subtraction here. So minus 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 plus and it's minus, so ये दो cancel हो गए. So it is 8 is equals to what is? It is 2n. Okay, so implies n is equals to कितना गया? N is equals to 4. Is this okay? If n is equals to 4, let's substitute this n is equals to 4 in the second equation. So 1 is equals to minus m plus 4. So m कितना गया बस? ये इधर गया, ये इधर गया. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So m is equals to 3. That's it. This is what they are expecting us to find out the value of m and n. So how you can write then? A is equals, that a bar is equals to what? Implies a bar is equals to, we have 3 q bar plus 4 r bar. I hope it is okay for all of you. So दबा कर दो उसका एक छोटा सा, so it will be good. This is what answer is. Okay, very good. Now let's see the next question now. So question number 25 here. Question number 25, and this statement is like this: express the vector same I plus 4j minus 4k as linear combination of vectors, linear combination of vectors 2i minus j plus 3k, I minus 2j plus 4k, I minus 2j plus 4k, and okay, three more vectors are there, three vectors are there, minus I plus 3j plus 5k. I hope I have written the vectors correctly. So it is 1 4 minus 1, 1 4 minus 1, then 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 3, 1 minus 2 4, 1 minus 2 4, and minus 1 3 minus 6, minus 1 3, so it should be minus 5. Okay, so minus 1 3 minus 5. So now in this case we want to express this vector a bar as the linear combination of, suppose this is what we have is x, this is y, and this is z. Okay, so this is what we want to show here. So I request all of you, please pause this video and you try on your own and get the values of those three constants. So the constants are p, q, r. So in this case, so a bar is equals to p x bar plus q y bar plus r z bar. Okay, so let's find out the values of p, q, r. This is what the linear combination is. Okay, we'll do the same things. So substitute. So I plus 4j minus 4k, it is equals to p into, so I will directly write down now, 2pi minus pj plus 3pk. Okay, okay, good. Then we have plus q into y, so it's a qi minus 2qj plus 4qk minus ri plus 3rj minus 5rk. Okay, now let's have the same coefficients. So it's a 2p plus q minus ri plus minus p minus 2q plus 3rj plus 3p plus 4q and minus 5rk. Just I have taken the same coefficients, so 3p and minus 5r, those things. Okay, now equate with this LHS side, which is I plus 4j minus 4k. So let's equate this. So what you will get, this is nothing but, so 1 is equals to, so this 1 is equals to this part, so 1 is equals to 2p plus q minus r, first equation. Second is 4 is equals to the coefficient of j, so minus p minus 2q plus 3r, equation number 2, and we have minus 4 which is equals to 3p plus 4q and minus 5r, it is equation number 3. So 3 equations, 3 variables, we can easily find out the values of p, q, r. So use the Cramer's rule. So what the Cramer's rule says is d is equals to, sorry, dx is equals to, so dx, dy and dz, so x is equals to, that is p is equals to what, it is a dp by d total, q is equals to what, it is a dq by d, and r is equals to what, dr by d. And what is d is, this is the determinant of all these coefficients of p, q, r on the LHS side. Okay, so I will give you the hint of this Cramer's rule. So d is nothing but the 2 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 and 3 4 and minus 5, this is nothing but determinant d. So dp will be what, just replace this p coefficients with this answer. Okay, so q, r will remain same, so the second and third column will remain same, minus 2 3 4 and minus 5, So just instead of this first column, you replace that with the 1 4 minus 4. So this will be 1 4 minus 4. Okay, similarly you replace for Q and R, so you will get the dp, dq and dr determinants. Okay, and after solving this, you will get the values of P is equals to 1, Q is equals to 2 and R is equals to 3. Therefore, the A bar is expressed as 1 x bar plus 2 y bar plus 3 z bar. Okay, so what this is the answer, final answer. So this is what we have expressed the one vector as the linear combination of the remaining three vectors. So you take this assignment as a homework and you can try and post your solution here. Okay, so thank you very much. So the remaining 5 questions we will see in the next video. Until then, I request all of you, please go through this video again and again, get your concepts clear, try to solve, do the as more practice as you can. Okay, that is the only key for success. Do more practice, try to solve more questions. Okay, so with this we will stop here. Thank you.